What is up, guys? It is Voodoo, and I have a new opening for you. It is the Magic the Gathering intro pack. This is the Concerted Effort, the green-white intro deck, and it has 2 booster packs. So let's go ahead and get started with it. If I can get this damn thing open. Okay, so in these things, you get the deck, then you get 2 packs of whatever set that it's from, or the newest set rather, and then you get these things, rule reference card, and just what's in there, a little poster about Magic the Gathering. And that one ripped, but tells you everything that's in the decks. So there's that. Refocus here. Okay, so first we're going to open up the packs, and then we'll open up the deck, and I'll show you what's all in the deck. Would you like to open a pack, babe? Here. My wife's going to assist me on this one. She loves opening packs of Magic. Honestly, I don't know any of these cards because I haven't really paid much attention. I'm just now getting back into Magic after about a 2-year hiatus. Oh, and it's hard to read upside down. Inverter of Truth, Mythic. And then we got a Umara, Lord, that's hard to read upside down, Entangler, foil. And then here's my wife's pack. Mostly I've been playing EDH as far as Magic is concerned. But my wife does not like EDH. And this is Deceiver of Form, rare. So those were the 2 random packs in there. So we have the green-white deck. Let me find the... There it is. Okay, so you got, for a foil rare, you have Gladeheart Cavalry. Veteran War Leader as the other rare. And then you've got Cliffside Lookout for 2 of those. 2 Expedition Envoy. Kite Sail Scout 2 of. Oran Reef Invoker. Core Castigator, 2 of those. McKindy. Core Sky Climber. Shadow Glypher. Jiraga Auxiliary, 2 of. Saddleback Lagok. Guess I don't know. Relief Captain, 2 of. Step. Alright. Angel of Renew. Evolving Wilds. Oh my god. Look, look at that art. That new Evolving Wilds is pretty. Tranquil Expanse. And then some basic land cards, of course. And then, I don't know why they put these in here instead of putting full arts. That just makes no sense to me. Lead by Example, 2. Mighty Leap. 2. So obviously, it's geared. Product is geared for new players, or people who are just looking to pick up a deck to play just for fun. But, you know, for the value, I think they were like $15. and you get 2 packs, which is already $8 worth of value, and then of course the deck itself. So honestly, the product's not bad, especially for newer players. But I do have one more of these to open for you in the next video, and it is the black-green version, the Vicious Cycle. So we'll see you in that video, guys. Y'all have a good one.